Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and if you want to know all the details on how I achieved this hairstyle right here, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, before I jump into this hair look, y'all let your girl know down below in those comments if y'all are feeling this Christmas themed makeup look, and y'all make sure to keep a lookout on that video for next week. First things first, you want to make sure that curling iron is hot and ready, honey, between 350 and 400 degrees. And we're going to be curling our hair away. I repeat, to curling our hair away from our face, also to ensure that we do not burn ourselves. And you want to make sure the sections of your hair are the same size of the curling iron that you're using. So I have a 1-inch curling iron, and I'm making sure that the sections of my hair are between a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in width. And when you're holding your curling iron on your hair, you want to make sure that you're not leaving it on for no longer than 10 to 15 seconds, because we want our curls to be nice, flowy, and bouncy, y'all. We do not need any fried, crispy curls. And I'm just going to simply repeat this process throughout the rest of my hair, making sure to curl my hair away from my face and not forgetting to curl those ends. Alright y'all, this is what my hair is looking like with all of the curls in it. And I also parted my closure in 3 sections with 2 parts on the sides and 1 in the middle. Next, I'm going to part a little bit of hair out in front of the closure so that way I can have room for baby hairs. And then I'm going to cornrow both sides of the closure. Unfortunately, y'all, I ran out of memory right while I was recording the cornrow part, but now I'm just going to pluck out some of the hair so that way my baby hairs will not be too thick. And I'm going to use Got2b glue gel with my edgy brush to swoop and slay these edges. Alright y'all, that is all for this video today. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. And also, if you want to get this hair yourself, don't forget to check out the links below. And y'all know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!